body. Tongue, we have tongue disorders, tongue cancer, and so on. There are so many disorders. Tongue, the mouth, the tongue may be affected. Moreover, now in the skull, in the Kapala, we have brain. Now in brain, we have billions of neurons, trillions of brain cells. Now if the air shoots suddenly upwards, the brain cells may be affected. Now to avoid all these disorders, we have Jalandhara Bandha. It is so simple. What is Jalandhara Bandha? Now we take the chin, we lock in the collarbone. This is the Jalandhara Bandha. Now if we perform Jalandhara Bandha, now we are locking the air here itself. The air will be locked here. The air won't escape and shoot to the head. So that is Jalandhara Bandha. Next, lock 2. What is the second lock? Moola Bandha. Now the air has the tendency to escape from below the anus. So what is this Moola Bandha? Now in Moola Bandha, now we are squeezing the anus inside. We are squeezing the anus inside like this and closing the anus. We are squeezing the anus inside and closing the anus like this. Now it is called as Ashwini Mudra. Now there is second method. What is the second method? Now I take the left leg. I place the heel at the perineum. I press at the perineum. I take the right leg and sit like this. Now, if I press the perineum, you know that perineum is the space between the anus and genital. If I press the perineum like this from the heel, now this anal channel will be closed. The anal channel will be closed. Now this is the second method. Now, if the air shoots from below the anus, what happens? Now it may lead to piles, fissures, fistula, and so on. So to avoid this, we take the Ashwini Mudra. We squeeze the anus inside like this, or we close the anus by pressing the heel at the perineum. We have 2 methods. Next, we come to Uddiyana Bandha. Now, in the word Uddiyana, we have the Hindi word Udan. What is this Udan? Udan means flying. Now, if you perform Uddiyana Bandha, now your spirits, your energies will be fly. The energies will be elevated. What are that energies? The energies are your serpent energy, the cosmic energy, the serpent energy. Now the serpent energy will be shooted in the Sushumna Nadi. It will be elevated. Now, to practice the Uddiyana Bandha, in the last class, I told that Agnisara Kriya is very, very important. Now we have practiced the Agnisara Kriya in the last class. Now we directly proceed to Uddiyana Bandha. What is this Uddiyana Bandha? I want to demonstrate Uddiyana Bandha. What is this Uddiyana Bandha? Now I sit comfortably like this. I inhale. I exhale. The remaining air I shoot from the mouth like this. I squeeze my stomach. I take the navel inside. like this. You can have the chin lock also. You can hold for 30 counts. I'm not telling 30 seconds on the clock. 30 of your counts. I perform 5 times. I inhale, friends. I inhale. I exhale. The remaining I blow from the mouth. I inhale. I exhale. I squeeze so that the navel should touch the spine at the back. The navel should touch the spine at the back. You can have chin lock also. Then release. Now relax by giving 3 massages. Next, third time. Inhale, exhale, burst through the mouth. Squeeze. Squeeze the navel so that the navel touches the spine at the back. Hold it for a few seconds, release. Relax by giving 3 massages. Relaxing is very, very important. Fourth time. Inhale deeply. Exhale the residue you throw from the mouth. Squeeze. Release. Relax by giving 3 massages. If I inhale, friends, I exhale. Release the chin lock and Uddiyana Bandha. Relax by giving 3 massages like this. Now I release my Padmasana. I take Padmasana from right. Since I'm taking Padmasana from right, it is Dakshina Padmasana. Now I give another method. What is another method? As usual, we inhale, exhale. The remaining residue of air we throw outside by mouth using Kaki Mudra, like this. 5 times we practice. I inhale deeply, exhale. The remaining throw out from the mouth using Kaki Mudra. Chin lock, squeeze this inside. Hold it for a few seconds. Release. Relax by giving 3 massages. Second, inhale deeply. Exhale, remaining throughout by mouth using Kaki Mudra. Release, inhale. Friends, give 3 massages. Relax the muscles here. Third time, Inhale deeply. Exhale. Chin lock. Then Uddiyana Bandha. Release. Inhale inside. Give 3 gentle massages.
Suresh Kumar Garu, one question. When you are doing Uddiyana Bandha and you do chin lock, are you also doing Mula Bandha at the same time or not?
Now, if you now Mula Bandha, if you can do. Very fine.
Okay, thank you.
Very fine. Or you can focus only on Jalandhara Bandha and Uddiyana Bandha. Very good question. Very good question.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Next, last one time. Friends, I deeply inhale. Exhale. The residue I throw out my mouth using Kaki Mudra. Squeeze. Jalandhara Bandha. Uddiyana Bandha. Release. Inhale. Give 3 gentle messages. Friends, this is Uddiyana Bandha. Now, in Uddiyana Bandha, we have 2 types of exhaling. We can exhale through mouth and we throw out by mouth like. Then second method. Now we are exhaling and we throw the residue air through mouth using Kaki Mudra like this. Next, before proceeding to Mahabandha, what is this Mahabandha? Beautiful. Mahabandha. Mahabandha is the combination of Jalandhara Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha, and Mula Bandha. Now, if these 3 simultaneously applied, it leads to Mahabandha. That is Mahabandha. 5 times you shall practice. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Mahabandha. Jalandhara Bandha. Uddiyana Bandha. Mula Bandha. Stay for a few seconds. Gently release. Exhale, inhale, give 3 messages. Mahabandha 2, second time. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Release the 3 bandhas. Inhale and give 3 messages. Want to relax the muscles there. Third time. I inhale deeply. I exhale, throw the residue air through mouth. Jalandhara Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha, Mula Bandha. Stay there for a few seconds. Release, inhale, give 3 messages. Another 2, we shall take the help of Kaki Mudra. You inhale deeply, exhale, Jalandhara, Uddiyana, Mulabandha. Then release the three bandhas. Release the Jalandhara bandha, Uddiyana bandha, and Mula bandha. Always we first perform the Jalandhara bandha, next Uddiyana bandha, third Mula bandha. Last time, fifth time. Inhale, friends. Exhale. Jalandhara, Uddiyana, Mula bandha. Stay for 2 seconds. Release. Inhale. Gently give 3 massages.